Thank you for that question and for coming to our seminar series, no? So, okay, first, I think we have to recognize and have to commend PSA and the rest of the education sector for correcting the definition. Because it's very important that we properly identify and diagnose the problem because that would allow us to really craft the proper intervention so that we can address the challenge. Now, having said that, ngayon natin nalaman na natuklasan na big pala talaga yung challenge that we're facing. So, right now naman, sinasabi nga natin, no, ako, sinasabi ko personally that I'm very optimistic with the education sector because now we have the dream team for the education team, really looking at the challenges. So, medyo malaki yung challenge that we are facing, pero we're starting to craft those interventions. So ngayon, mas matutugunan na natin. And we're very happy na this time, we've heard from the SONA of the President na may appropriate attention given to education. So that's very important, yung resources. And narinig din natin na mayroong resources and then ngayon, ang kailangan nating bantayan in using those resources properly and appropriately to solve those challenges, especially coming out from the pandemic. We have a lot of learning losses. So, naghahabol tayo we're trying to catch up. So, we need the help of the media, okay, to really make sure that those resources being put in the education sector are really being used. Kahapon, umattend din ako ng post-SONA discussion. So, tinitingnan na yan ng Department of Education na yung mga voucher daw to ensure that those vouchers are properly, meaning to say, appropriated to the right individuals that really needs those vouchers. So, isa yan. So, ang pakiusap natin sa media, bantayan din kasi malaking tulong kayo to ensure those.
20% dito. Okay. Una, yung datos na kolekta ng Philippine Statistics Authority, hindi lang dito sa ating 2024 PLEMS but other surveys. First is that we are sharing this to our stakeholders, particularly Department of Education. But what's important, I think, as I mentioned kanina, yung coverage kasi natin ngayon sa functional literacy education mass media survey ang mas malawak. At naibibigay ito na nagkaroon kami ng mga regional and provincial data dissemination. So as I mentioned, there's ownership na ngayon sa mga local government executive natin na ito yung status ng ating basic and functional literacy tungkol sa kanilang mga area. So isa yan. Mayroon naman tayong mga binibigay, may mga magagandang information tayo na kolekta from survey. So, for example, yung ating National ICT in Housing Survey, ang ating nakita doon ay tumaas yung number of individuals na nagkakaroon ng access sa smartphone. So, ito yung isa sa mga kailangan natin, of course, to do activities using internet. Yung mga households naman na may mga internet connectivity ay tumaas din compared sa ating previous survey na 2019. Although, of course, hindi pa siya talaga ganun ka lawak, may mga challenges pa rin. But relative to the previous surveys, mataas na. So ito yung mga information that we are sharing, the Philippine Statistics Authority is sharing with the ICT, with DepEd, and more importantly, yung mga local chief executives natin.